Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts an engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 9,300 pounds, 4218 kilograms, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, cruise control, electronic, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timings fee and the pickup box, delete. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.